Hey everybody, Chris here. Dogecoin is signaling its next breakout. We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. My next live will be Friday afternoon. That's right, we'll be catching up on the week of trading, Doge and other cryptos, and look forward to the weekend trading as well. Plus have AMA. We always have a lot of fun on Fridays, so come join in. Make sure that you are subscribed. You have all of your notifications on. Also, we do have another Ledger deal. That's right, for Ledger crypto hardware wallets. Check the link in description below. There is a special holiday bonus of Bitcoin that you would receive back when you buy a new Ledger crypto wallet. Highly recommended. We talk about that a little more in the live streams as well. But for now, we've got Bitcoin news. That's right. We have Dogecoin signaling a breakout. We'll look at those charts and diagrams, as well as altcoin season to talk about. So let's get into it. Let me show you the charts and the news, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. And we start here with the Dogecoin chart, looking at 40.5 cents. That's right, Doge has been trading sideways now, right around 40. And with that, that's right, the RSI, Relative Strength Index, is coming down, MACD coming down. All of that is showing that Dogecoin is ready for its next move up. So overall, what is going on? Well, let's start with Bitcoin. BlackRock endorses Bitcoin for balanced portfolios. That's right. BlackRock came out and said that people should allocate up to 2% of their portfolios in Bitcoin. Now, BlackRock has $11.5 trillion in assets under management. So, if everyone who uses BlackRock as their asset manager allocated 2% to Bitcoin, that means there would be like $200 billion right away in buying of Bitcoin. That's right. That is huge. That is huge for Bitcoin. So would it be even bigger if you looked at the world overall with $900 trillion in assets? 2% of that, if all of that, 2% would be Bitcoin, that would be Bitcoin a market cap of $18 trillion. That's right, $900,000 per coin. That's where some of these $1 million like Bitcoin forecasts for the future come from. Is like 2% of all assets into Bitcoin, $900,000 Bitcoin. Are you paying attention? Now, yeah, that's a little out there, certainly, but look where Bitcoin is today versus where it was 12, 13 years ago. Unbelievable. We don't know what the future holds, but that is definitely out there. So, BlackRock officially recommending 2% Bitcoin allocation, $220 billion. If companies follow suit, the crypto market cap could hit $15 to $20 trillion. As of now, the crypto market cap is $3.64 trillion. So $3.64 trillion up to $15 to $20 trillion. That is just, that's like 5 times already, just right on top of that. Doge is $2, right? And Bitcoin, $500,000 just for that. Bullish momentum incoming. So Alan, trader tardigrade, he just says, look, parabolic curves for Bitcoin. This is what could happen looking at this step-like formation. There's an initial base, there's a second base, and now it looks like we are building on base 3. You get up to base 4, you're up to $150,000 of Bitcoin, and then that next run could take it to $200,000 following this kind of curve and pattern formation for Bitcoin. What does this mean for Doge? Well, first, let's address this Doge Reaper attack. People are all worried about Dogecoin security and all of that, and this article goes into A little bit of detail about this so-called vulnerability in older Dogecoin nodes. That's right. This isn't the overall Dogecoin network. These are older nodes, what this was about. So, could this potentially impact Dogecoin's decentralization and reliability? Well, certainly the attack has not severely impacted the Dogecoin price. Maybe raise some concerns about the network security, but you know what? The devs already knew about this and they already updated their core. And we talked about this during the live stream here yesterday, that hacker exploits Doge flaw, crashing 69% of nodes, exposing a vulnerability that could have taken down the entire network. Cointelegraph does this. But yet, Community Notes comes in. The Dogecoin network has more than 14,000 active nodes. So, and the flaw that was mentioned was already fixed. The latest Dogecoin core release back on December 1st. This is old news. And Mishobar says, look, most Dogecoin miners and exchanges already upgraded. The way the network works, even a subset of the current live nodes would be enough for it to work smoothly. So this is just FUD. This is just FUD pushed by someone looking for fame or whatever, ignores the reality of the current situation. And Cointelegraph should have reached out to the Dogecoin devs to get that side of the story. So it's just, it is all FUD. We're way past this, so nothing to worry about. And you can see Dogecoin's price is holding strong. There's no crashing of Dogecoin. But still, it's a reminder. If you're holding Doge or whatever crypto, just a reminder again, you should get it off the exchanges and be safe and secure. I have this Ledger Nano S Plus. This is what I use for most of my crypto holdings off the exchanges. Safe and secure. If you're interested, I have a link in the description below. Just takes you to this page directly, and you can look at Ledger Flex. You'll get $70 of Bitcoin if you buy the Ledger Flex. And they also have other deals, again, the Nano X or the Nano S Plus. Again, this would be, you buy it for $79, you get $30 of Bitcoin. So they send you this card that's in your box, so you'll get your box with your crypto wallet in it, and then you'll get the card. You basically, essentially, you just, for redemption, you put in your Bitcoin wallet address, and they send you the Bitcoin. So do check that out. We can talk more about that if you're interested during the next live stream. So Dogecoin Fractal hints at a more immediate 85% increase in Doge's price. So we've got whales piling in. We've got Elon Musk's influence. That's all sparking speculation. And this upcoming rally looks like, well, you take this fractal of this double bottom here with the neckline, and this looks like this next breakout to 58.50. 56 to 57 cents here on that. If you look at my recent post on X, that's right, I am on X Twitter at ChrisPax. Please follow me. I'm looking at this Dogecoin bull flag, still pointing to 69 cents by the end of the year. This is another look at what that next breakout could look like with this bull flag coming back to November 4th. How Dogecoin has been trading in this upward channel, still there, still looking very positive for Doge, and we could see, again, by the end of the year, 69 cents. So we will see whether that is true on setting up for an exciting end of the year. So that's kind of the overall big picture for Doge and how that could look. A bigger picture going into 2025, we could have another bigger Doge bull flag up to $2, Would that kind of thing happen earlier? I don't know. That's a huge push in the price of Dogecoin. We will be watching. Meanwhile, can Dogecoin eye $1? Could it be $1? And can Doge sustain its massive bullish momentum? Certainly the month of November was awesome, 165% return for the month. Dogecoin still trading around 40 cents. Its yearly high, 47, 48 cents now. And we could have a potential price up to $1.48 by 2026. All of that is in the works for Doge. So backed by Trump and Musk, the synergy, a crypto, United States presidential administration, very crypto friendly. And Doge still remains a top performer. Even though we've seen a bit of a dip here, it still is looking very good for Doge. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about Dogecoin's sort of gearing up for this next big pump in the price? This is exciting times. We are also looking at overall alt season. That's right. Alt season back in 2021, early 2021, there was a golden cross on the total 2 market cap, which is alt season. And we are just coming into this part of total 2. So that's like everything without Bitcoin. We are flipping over to alt season, and we are ready for a big breakout of alt season coming. So all of that is good news, as we are still looking in these 4-year cycles as a lot more gains to come ahead. Join in live streams. Again, I'm live every day of the week now, plus Sunday. We do a end of the weekend roundup, plus look forward to the next week of trading. So all of that and more. And we get into a lot of detail on other cryptos too. We had Velodrome pumping last night, up over 100%. I own a little bit of that, and that was pretty good. So I took some profits on the Velodrome that I own, because that's what you do after a big pump now, is you take some profits. So I did that with Velodrome, and we'll be talking more about other cryptos as well. So join in the live streams, give the video a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.